Not bad, not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna give a free game like I've done on my previous videos, just so you're worthwhile. So how I got to these two is from simple shapes, like simplifying the character. So say this is the head, that's the body, and this is the chest and torso, and then here's the pelvis. And then we're going to shoulder, elbow, arms, forearms. What should it be? Yeah. And then the thighs, the knees, the shin, and then the foot. When you simplify that, it'll be easy for you to just draw, you know, once that's been simplified. But yeah.